Hey everyone! If you've got a Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10, it is incredible at mapping your home. But let's be real, maybe you don't love the idea of your detailed floor plan constantly syncing to the cloud. Whatever your reason, today I'm going to show you the quick, hidden settings in the Mi Home app to stop your vacuum from uploading maps to the cloud. Alright, grab your phone and let's jump straight into it. Open up the Mi Home app and tap on your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 from your device list to open its main control dashboard. Look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three dots to open up the main settings menu. Scroll down the list until you see Privacy Settings. You will see a toggle or a specific authorization option for map uploading. Toggle this to stop map upload. If the app gives you a pop-up warning saying it will delete your current map, hit OK. Now, a quick heads up about what happens when you turn this off. Your S10 will still clean perfectly fine, and it will still use its LiDAR sensor to navigate around obstacles in real time. However, because it can't save the map to the cloud, you won't be able to use features like restricted virtual zones, room-specific cleaning, or scheduling specific areas. It treats every clean like a fresh run. If you're okay with that trade-off for total privacy, you are good to go. And that is literally it. A simple 1-minute fix to take control of your data. If this quick tutorial helped you out, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let me know in the comments if you prefer keeping your maps local or using the smart features. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.